Zero to Hero, a series of videos showcasing Cisco's ability to deliver zero trust. This is the fourth and final video focusing on protecting a hybrid workforce. Cloud-delivered firewall. So Zero Trusty Widgets is embracing direct internet access instead of backhauling traffic to the data center. Umbrella Cloud-Delivered Firewall is a cloud-native security service as a simple-to-manage and scalable alternative to costly refresh cycles and maintenance headaches. Firewall in the cloud is now an essential element of cloud-delivered security service. It helps you improve security efficacy and ensure consistent enforcement everywhere. So let's jump right in. Let's go to Umbrella and we'll go to Firewall Policies. From here, we're going to add a rule. It's a very, very simple and easy test. It's going to block ICMP to Google's DNS 8.8.8.8. So ICMP is the protocol. Continue to scroll down. You can see source tunnels, applications. You've got IPs and CIDR addresses. Destination, we're going to specify specific IP address. We'll go ahead and type 8.8.8.8. And before we add here, we're going to go rule schedule. Let's have a look here. We can actually define a start and end time for the rule. And we've got hit counter. We'll leave that as 24 hours. Don't forget to add that rule. And then we're going to block traffic and we're going to have logging enabled. And from here, we'll save it out. And we can see here, enabled, block, ICMP, source, destination, 0 hits over the last 24 hours. Perfect. All right, let's give this thing a try. So we'll jump to an endpoint, and we're going to ping the 4.2.2.1, and that's successful and expected because that's not what we're blocking. And let's go ahead and ping 8.8.8.8. And not looking good. I guess depends on perspective, right? For us as the control point or administrators, that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. If it's the user trying to get to it, well, maybe not so much. And you can see here our hit count has risen to 1. Let's go to reporting. Let's go to activity search. And we'll check blocked here and hit apply. Let's get rid of this filtering notification. And we can see here we're blocking 8.8.8. There's your internal IP address, the identities used. Let's go to investigate. Now this is a little bit more of a bonus here, but I wanted to show it real quick. Investigate allows us to investigate all kinds of different attributes within Umbrella. So it could be an IP address, a domain, a SHA-256. It provides tremendous intelligence. But let's just look at the rule and the actions that took place. So we'll view full details. And now we can see identity type is network tunnels. It's blocked. The destination was 8.8, the source IP, and that's it.